Okay, I got a cat harness for my cat because I want to bring her up there to the porch, but I don't want to let her run. But I've been checking. My wife is brave.
I think you may have gotten this too big.
Big?
I mean, too small. I mean, she's still skinny.
Breezy, leave her alone while she's under duress.
Yeah, this is really, really small, man.
Yeah, you think?
Oh, yeah.
Well, I didn't want her to squeeze out of it.
Well, you must have thought she was a really tiny cat. She's a big cat, but she's skinny.
So that seems to fit good, huh?
Yeah. All right.
So I'm just...
Ready. Okay, get ready for...
When she realizes it...
It's gonna follow her. That was my favorite part about breaking horses. When you put that saddle on them, they walk around a little bit and look back, and then it's still on them. They freak out.
Shut, cat.
Come back in
Get
there.
in. Get in. Oh, sorry, baby. I'm sorry.
Watch you go crazy. Oh yeah, she's heavy. Oh yeah.
Yeah, she's probably about normal weight now.
I bet that cat weighs 10 pounds.
Come here, cat. Come here, Shop Cat. No, I'm just gonna. I give up. Okay, get it off me. You win.
This is gonna be what she's gonna do for like the next 5 minutes. It's kind of tight around her head. If I roll over enough, it'll come off.
Okay. Well.
You know that black and white cat that's always walking up and down the road? I'm just wondering if that ain't a sister or litter mate to this one, because they look a lot alike. They're not identical, but they're... Of course, I'm thinking it's a she too, and it's pretty thin.
So if you get used to that, you'll be able to come up and sit on the front porch where we solve all the world's problems, and you can be a part of it.
Here in a minute, she's gonna get mad that it won't come off. She's gonna try to back out of it now. Oh, you done got your toenail hung up in it. No, you got it out. You can't get out of this, Shop Cat. Okay, get ready. Walk.
Come here.
Let's just see how mean a cat or how mad she can get. She's a pretty laid back cat.
She is a pretty laid back cat. She doesn't give a hoot about the dogs. And yesterday she was trying to get Breezy to play, and he was up under here, right here, and he didn't want to play, and he got crazy, he barking and snarling, and
she didn't care.
She didn't care.
Yeah,
didn't
she was
nothing.
raised with a dog, no doubt about it. Fluffy.
Got that. Okay, well, I'll just lay right here and take a nap. Maybe when I wake up, it'll be gone.
Maybe if I keep doing cute things, they'll take it off on me. That cat is not going to go anywhere. I don't know why you won't just let her follow you.
I have invested money and time and bought her stuff. And I think she's hung up again. No, I guess not. And I don't want her, if she runs off, I don't want it to be through the winter. Okay? If she runs off, I'll let her go out and make up her own mind what she wants to do in springtime when she can survive if she doesn't come back.
Well, she knows where food is and she knows where warmth is. If she goes out and she manages to go down to the woods or something, she gets hungry, she'll be back. You've got to trust in your children. You have to let them experience a little
She hasn't earned my trust.
You would have been...
A helicopter parent?
Yep. I'm going to lower this. So, let's see.
Come here, cat. Come here. Come up here. I will pet you. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty.
What's funny is I need to video her when I ride by on the lawnmower or whatever, because when I ride by, she goes, hi. Throws her hand up at me. Hey, crazy lady on the lawnmower.
Well, she's not freaking out. That's good. I'll imagine if I put the leash on her, that's when the freaking out will start. So I'll let her get used to that. I'll take it off when I go home. And soon.
She'll walk after she's going to figure out that it's not going to come off of her.
Or hurt her.
She'll walk. She just doesn't like it following her or being attached.
All right, get out, Breezy. Okay, cat. This is a good cat.
I seen that cat licking you.
Yeah, she was going to town. She'd have licked him all day if he got real tired of it. He put up with it for about, 15 minutes. And she had him soaking wet down his back. Clean.
I'm going to tell the other dogs you got licked by a cat.
Yeah, we're going to spread the word unless you come up with a few bucks. You let a cat lick you.
Well, now you don't have no use. Don't get to use your closet.
I never use it for anything. I had a couple of boxes stuck in there. Okay, nothing exciting here. That's 7 minutes of a cat not freaking out. Are you getting tired of seeing my face with a cat in front of it? I just wanted to show you. I have a nest smook that have a deposit on it, and it's up to the heat treating point. I just got it out of the heat treatment, and tomorrow I'm going to sand on it, clean it up, get the handles on it, and probably Saturday. But anyway, I can be here in the leather shop because there's no dust and all that. So I just thought I'd show you the Nessmuk sunrise, sunburst, dye, fade dye. Why can't I talk? I guess having a cat right up in your face is a little distracting, but come out really nice. And I'm really, really happy with my edges. My edges are really getting better and better. And that's, to me, the edges really make or break the sheath. They've got my BC Blades logo on it. Okay, I think, I'm fixing to drop my dog, hold on. Whew. Dog almost slipped through my leg. I think I'm gonna go and clean up my knife shop a little bit. Actually, I think I'm gonna make a better place to hang up all my sanding belts. I don't want to kick up a bunch of dust, so I think that's what I'll do. I'm gonna drive some That is really, really interesting that this cat has taken to Breezy so quickly. And Breezy's not 100% happy with it. But I'll tell you what, every morning I come out and I say, you want to go see the cat? And he is down here at the door before I am. So I think he likes the cat. I do know he likes the cat because they play a lot. I think he just wants her to leave him alone when he's ready for his nappy time. And she won't, because she's a young cat and wants to play. Anyway, I think that's what I'll do. I don't really have much to do today. If that fella doesn't cut my... I'm using this old one that I got a long time ago. And brought somewhere and had it cut. And if he doesn't cut that for me today, then before the day is out, I'm just going to go get it and bring it back. And I think I'll buy myself a diamond blade and cut it myself. That's the reason I brought it up there to cut, because it's really messy. You ruin a circular saw, and I have one that I don't mind ruining. It may not ruin it forever, but when you put water on a circular saw that's not made for it, it's not good for it, the bearings or anything like that. But I can cut it myself, but the blade is about $50, which is what that guy told me he would charge me to cut that. So, you know, it doesn't make sense. But also, I'm not going to just leave it up there. You know, he told me he would cut it that day. And then he said it would be after lunch. And then, you know. Anyway, if it's not cut today, I'm going to go back and have him put it in my truck and just cut it myself one of these days. I won't be able to do it for a while. All right, let me go work on my other shop a little bit, and then that's my day. So what do you think about that, huh? Very interesting to watch this two species figure out a way to endure each other's presence. And, yep, they like each other, although the cat tends to bite when they play, and she doesn't put her claws out, but until she gets really excited and, you know, they start playing a little harder, then she bites and puts her claws out, and that pisses him off, and he quits. My favorite show, Bitchin' Rides, and a lot full of dogs. Life is good.